Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Geo for Geography and myself Akshay Guru. I hope you all are doing good and in this like a heat wave like condition, I hope you all are again doing good. See, in the months of March, April, May, that is what a usual norm now that has become now in kind of a new normal in our India, that heat waves, okay, the frequent occurrences of heat waves have become much common, I would say. So from the perspective of examination and the perspective of your real time understanding as well, see, you need to understand what it means by heat wave first. What are the action plans? Those are basically already developed and in the making as well. And what are the further suggestions or how to improve this heat wave action plan? Because in the many parts of the country, again considering the political elections, those were like held during this period of time, those are basically in the operation as well, and what in the other parts of the world as well, right? कि क्या हो रहा है कि different जो conditions है या कुछ भी हो सकता है, schooling exams है आपकी या elections है या कुछ और भी आपके sport events हो सकते हैं, due to which you will find a considerable number of death tolls have already been taken. And that is what it is of major concern, this how to deal with the heat waves. So today in this discussion I am going to have a discuss about what are heat waves, what are the heat action plans, those are needs to be taken, what are the suggestions, and what then the conclusion about then the whole heat wave action plan as in. So I'll give you one free moment. Yes, you can have a clear screenshot of all this and I'll try कि हम comment box में भी इस वीडियो की इस स्क्रीनशॉट की एक पिक लगा दे, ठीक है? सो फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन एज वेल डाउनलोड इट. चलो, सो सी गाइस, heat wave, in the era of global warming, the occurrences of heat waves have become much common now, very common I would say in fact, and thus it becomes very important for us to understand what is this heat wave as in and how it needs to be mitigated. Now see, according to the IMD, that is the foremost agency, Indian Meteorological Department, the definition of heat wave depends on the physiography of regions. It means the heat wave declaration or conditions rather depends region to region, है ना, कि कौन से रीजन में क्या कंडीशन प्रिवेल कर रही है, अकॉर्डिंगली दैट कंडीशंस, ओके, और देयर वुड बी अ डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ हीट वेव्स. मतलब ये हो सकता है कि शायद प्लेन रीजन में कुछ टेम्परेचर कंडीशंस हो जहाँ पे वो हीट वेव ना हो, मे बी इन द माउंटेनस रीजन. सो दैट वे. नाउ सी, the IMD will declare a heat wave if the maximum temperature recorded at a station is 40 degrees Celsius or more in the plains. कि प्लेन्स में ये जो टेम्परेचर है वो 40 डिग्रीज और मोर है तब ये हीट वेव होगी, और 37 डिग्रीज इन और मोर इन दी कोस्टल रीजन एंड 30 degrees or more in the hills. So see, the conditions to declare needed to declare heat waves differ region to region. Plain region में 40 plus, then for coastal 37 and for hills 30 degree or plus. I hope ये जो definition है ये clear है. इसके बाद एक और भी हम types of heat waves भी देखेंगे इसी केस में. Okay, next is types of heat waves. See, there is a normal heat wave when the departure is only by 4.5 to 6.4 degrees Celsius. Normal heat wave कब होगी? When the conditions are like ranging between, rise in temperature is ranging between 4.5 to 6.4 degrees Celsius. However, a severe heat wave that we are now experiencing as of now, if the departure is greater in that sense. Now, what exactly a heat wave is? When this figure is greater than 45 degrees Celsius, and a severe heat wave is when a greater than 47 degrees Celsius condition is rather observed. So I hope you are getting this types of heat waves, normal heat waves, severe heat waves, जिसमें 4.5 से 6.4 और उससे beyond अगर होगा तो ये severe wave है, या 47 degrees and 45 degrees. That is what that condition. So I hope you guys are getting this thing. Then अब हीट वेव्स है, एज यू नो कि हीट वेव्स है सीवियर नंबर ऑफ डेथ टोल्स हैव ऑलरेडी बीन टेकन इन द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री एंड द वर्ल्ड एज वेल. सो नाउ हाउ टू manage this heat wave, or what are the different provisions in India to deal with this? The National Disaster Management Authority NDMA and IMD are reported to be वर्किंग विथ 23 स्टेट्स. ठीक है, 23 डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के साथ IMD अभी वर्क कर रही है फॉर व्हाट, इन ऑर्डर टू डील विथ और हैविंग ए कॉमन एक्शन प्लान to deal with the heat waves. So these 23 states are, you know, like are pretty much in confirmation about having a separate heat action plan. There is no centralized database on HAP heat action plans, but at least 23 HAPs exist at the state and city level, with a few states such as Odisha and Maharashtra laying out district level heat action plans as well. So heat action plans में you will find कि 23 states और ओडिशा और महाराष्ट्र ऑलरेडी किया. अब देखो हीट एक्शन प्लान मतलब जनरली क्या होना चाहिए और क्या होगा इसमें. So there you will find this heat action plan. HAPs provide directives for hospitals as well as equipped with the supplies and an adequate number of trained healthcare workers. है ना? So HAPs should have directions for concerning hospitals, trained health workers, nurses और बाकी सारी चीजें to recognize and treat a large influx of patients with heat related illness. With heat related illness. First वाला point है. Second, HAPs also suggest long-term measures such as adapting urban planning strategies. See, हीट एक्शन प्लान में प्रीलिम्स में भी क्वेश्चंस हो सकता है, मेंस में तो आपको राइट करना होगा. देयर आर देयर जस्ट कुड बी मेंशन अबाउट हाउ टू डू अर्बन प्लानिंग एंड देन strategies for that promote tree planting using heat resistant building materials to reduce urban heat island effect and using cool roofing as well. Cool roofing. So see, in heat waves you will find पहले हॉस्पिटल्स के लिए डायरेक्टिव्स है, अर्बन प्लानिंग के लिए भी कैसे जो एक्सेसिव रिटेंशन ऑफ हीट है उसको कम कर सकते हैं हम. एंड देन इक्वली इन एडिशन HAPs पुश फॉर इफेक्टिव कोऑर्डिनेशन अमॉन्ग स्टेक होल्डर्स इंक्लूडिंग which are those stakeholders? Government agencies, healthcare providers, community organizations and emergency services. All they need to have a proper right combination say between them, so that you will find this heat action plan. Ultimately we can mitigate or manage the heat waves condition. So I hope HAPs का पर्पस आपको समझ आ रहा है, ये क्या करेगा, HAPs कहाँ पे डेवलप्ड हो रही ये भी समझ आ रहा होगा, और हीट वेव्स क्या है ये आपको along with the type now you guys are pretty much clear with. देखो however अब इस हीट एक्शन प्लान में ना कुछ एक लिमिटेशंस है कि जिसको डील करने के लिए जो अभी होने चाहिए, क्या सजेशंस एंड लिमिटेशंस ऑफ दिस. सी नाउ द सजेशंस आर लाइक there should be one thing that you need to understand, that every region is different, every region is unique. You cannot apply a generalized conditions of 30 degrees for hills, 37 for coast, 40 for plain, or 45 or 47, whatever that case, for every region. See, heat waves are rather a local disasters, right? So in such a case you need to understand कि local conditions पे किस level पे heat wave declare होनी चाहिए. Because what happened many a time, because for not all the region conditions are ranging or hovering around the stipulated limit, and that's why many a times कि condition तो हीट वेव जैसी है, बट क्या है कि वहां पे हीट वेव डिक्लेरेशन नहीं हुआ है, जिस वजह से फिर डायरेक्टिव्स और उसके मिटिगेशन में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. सो फर्स्ट सजेशन, द लोकल कंटेक्स्ट इन नेशनल थ्रेशोल्ड इज व्हाट डिटरमाइंस हीट वेव टुडे, है ना, दैट IMD वाला केस. हाउएवर हीट वेव विल हैव टू बी determined at disaggregated scales such as states, districts and cities. Many cities have been reeling under extreme temperatures. Extreme temperatures they are reeling under, although no heat wave has been declared. Yes, बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में हीट वेव जैसी कंडीशन ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, क्योंकि ऊपर वो नेशनल थ्रेशोल्ड जो लिमिट दे रखी है उसको फुलफिल नहीं कर रही है. दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड. एस्पेक्ट्स सच एज द अर्बन heat island effect, the type of roofing and proximity to water or green bodies are important influences on the local temperature conditions. Right? तो ये पहला suggestions है. Local conditions you need to understand. Second, regional variations also needs to be considered. The reason being, as HAPs that are tailored to specific climatic conditions है ना, तो region का भी broad basis पे you need to consider. Demography and region's infrastructure can lead to the formulation of strategies and intervention suited to the local context. Thus, see, रीजनल कंटेक्स्ट में आपकी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रिपेयर्डनेस, देन डेमोग्राफी कैसी है, उस हिसाब से भी HAPs फ्रेम होना चाहिए और HAPs हीट वेव्स की डिक्लेरेशन आनी चाहिए. राइट. देन थर्ड, inconsistent methods of identification and declaration. While most HAPs have conducted vulnerability assessment of region, during the development of the plans, the methods adopted are inconsistent in a sense के जो HAPs जिस हम मेथड से बना रहे हैं, trying to have perfect about this action plan, see these methods are in themselves lying at fault. So we have to consider this case. And the last and the most important point, demography, more appropriately like vulnerable populations. All HAPs prioritize the protection of vulnerable populations. Vulnerable populations को prioritize करना as needed है, such as low income community, children and the elderly. But what is missing are targeted intervention. Targeted intervention मतलब क्या? Keeping target, right? One particular community, one particular area, that kind of intervention is that missing. Account for the varying needs of the population based on local and social demographic factors. Thus, this HAPs needs to be holistic on that scale or count. So I hope you all guys are getting this thing. देखो एक पूरा मेंस का आंसर हमारा हो सकता है just if you have a right understanding about this case. अब conclusion क्या होना चाहिए then हमारा, see, further it is of utmost importance to hold dialogue between various stakeholders including government, organizations, state civil societies and worker unions to co-plan a financial mechanism that allow informal workers, see, because they are at the very brunt of this heat waves, है ना, क्योंकि वो open end work पे कर रहे हैं, open environment में कर रहे हैं, directly having exposure to the sun and heat conditions, so there needs some right strategies to deal with. Hence, there is need to allocate dedicated budgets for HAPs. That HAPs, heat action plan, needs to have a separate budget as well, separate budget, and then it helps you to deal with this case. Then also hotspot mapping of this heat wave regions for prioritizing and formulating targeted intervention is needed. Yes, so hotspot identification is much needed, which is now possible for easy geospatial access. So I hope guys this heat wave, how to deal with the heat wave, everything about this case is now pretty much clear to you. एक बार इस टॉपिक वीडियो को आप फिर से रिव्यू कर सकते हो कि हीट वेव क्या है, इसके टाइप्स क्या है, सॉल्यूशंस क्या है, 23 स्टेट्स आर इन्वॉल्व, HAPs क्या है, हीट एक्शन प्लान, उसके suggestions then, and at the end conclusion. So I hope you are enjoying these videos, you are enjoying the discussion. I am trying to keep it as as short as possible so that आपको कंटेंट भी मिल जाए और उस पर एक्सप्लेनेशंस भी मिल जाए. So this is what my genuine attempt to help you guys for this case. Thank you. If you really like this video, please like it, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Have a good time.